Hello, welcome to Seagull. Please ignore if you hear any people talking in the background that are speaking in some foreign language. That's my mom watching a drama while cooking, so please ignore that. Please listen to my voice and stay aware of drama voice. Anyway, um, this is Seagull. Um, we play Roblox. We play Roblox games. We sometimes go myth hunting, we play beast swing, we play Arsenal, we play Isle, I don't know what that is. We also give out events tips. We play murder mystery, and um we just hang out a bit. This is the life, I guess. We react to other Roblox people's um we react to other people's videos, like other Roblox people's videos. So yeah, I'm just gonna. This might be awkward, but anyway. Okay. Come on! Oh, stupid laptop. We just react. We can also react to other people's videos, like SMG4. Where's the Roblox videos? Which one of this? We watch Roblox videos, all that sort of stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much Seagull. I hope you like it. Bye. Yeah, also, I know you're not subscribed yet. How did I know that? Because I broke into your house, logged onto your computer, saw who you're subscribed to, so unsubscribed them all. So please like and subscribe.